time to pick the November Pick a Stick Challenge Sticks of Fate. I've got my bucket of sticks and my notes and my blank things to write them on. And I've got a couple of cups this time, I remembered. So here's all the sticks. Let's stir them up. Some of them in there might have been used before. Remember, this year we're trying not to reuse sticks. So if I accidentally pick one that Peg had picked in the past, I will try to get rid of that one and put it in the bucket of already used sticks. But with this many hundreds of sticks, it's hard to pick out the ones that your partner has used in the past. Okay, I think I've got them pretty stirred up. All right, I need one yellow. I need one blue. Let's get one from the bottom here somewhere. I need two greens. One from over here. One from here. Oops, let's go in there. I need two oranges. That's orange. And orange. And I need two purples. And from under here somewhere. And I need two red. Here's a red. And here's a red. Okay, that's what we've got to work with. So, starting out with the page challenge, let's see what colors we got to start out with. Okay, the colors are plum and slate. Plum is a purple, and slate is kind of a blue-gray. So I will put the codes in here for these colors, but let's see if I can find something that I think is those colors. No, that's too dark, I think. Well, this one, it's dark also. It's a little bit lighter though, so that's probably a possibility. How about for the slate? That's dark. It's even darker. Well, let's say this one is slate gray. And did that go through my paper? Oh crap, it did. And this one is plum. Of course, I've got the other stuff on the other side. But anyway, good enough. Okay, those are our colors. Put those in the other container. Then let's pick these. I'm not going to look at them. I'm just going to grab. Step one is polyfilla. That would be modeling paste or molding paste. Polyfilla is just a like the version that you can get at the home store. If you don't want to spend money buying expensive modeling paste, you can just get the stuff that you fill holes in the wall with called polyfilla at the store. So that's just modeling paste. Don't get confused. All right, the next one is conventional. That would be like usual or common, nothing abstract or weird. Bummer. The next one is use your finger. You know, move the stuff around with your finger. Easy. The next one is sprinkle. I feel like we might have had that one already. Yeah, I think we did have that. Sprinkle. I'm pretty sure. Let's get a different one. Just pull a different red from the bucket. We'll have burn instead. Now don't burn your house down. Put this one in the used. Then we have trowel. That one should have went with the polyfilla. That would be using any type of a, a device like this, a palette knife to spread something or put something on or whatever. Put some gesso on. And then we have curve. Make something that has a curvy shape. And then the wild cards are triangle. I'm pretty sure we had triangle too. I wished I had like a database or something. I could easily look them up, but I'm pretty sure we already had triangle. I'm just going to be safe and say we did. And pull out a different one from the bucket. Circle. Pretty sure we didn't have circle. And that's a favorite. Everyone likes circles. So. And then the last wild card is letters. So adding letters to the project. That's cool. So remember with Pick a Stick Challenge, you do the first 6 steps and you do them in order, and then you have the option of adding these colors to your project. Then if you don't like one of these, say burn sounds terrible and you're worried you're going to burn your house down, just replace it with one of the wild cards. You can replace 2 with 2 wild cards, so that would be, the maximum. And then if you want, you can do all the steps in order. So that's how the Pick a Stick Challenge works. That's the only rule. You can add something at the beginning, the middle, or the end. It doesn't matter as long as you do these 6 and you do them in order. Okay, so now we have our sticks reimagined, and let's go down to picking the steps for the artist trading color card and also the colors. So you need to hold away from me so I can't see. And let me grab the purple one. That's going to be slate. That's this one that I decided. Kind of a blue-gray. If you want to make it lighter than that, you can. And then 3 steps. Putting my hand in front of it so I can't see. The first one is curve. That could be fun. The second one is polyfilla, which is modeling paste. Easy peasy. And the third one is conventional. Normal, average, not abstract. And then our wild card is circle again. Okay. Now on the other side we have our altered tag challenge. I'm sad that those came through like that, but that's life. So let's put them all back in and stir them up. And let's get the color. This time the color's plum. And then I don't need the other color, obviously. And let's pick the steps. Step 1. That one really just wants to come out and make me have to write a lot. Modeling paste. The next one is curve. The next one is trowel, which could be any type of a spreading device. You can use it to make texture or whatever. The next one is circle. Kind of hard to make circles with trowel, just gonna say that. And the last one for the wild card is using your finger. Okay, that is the sticks for the month of November 2019. Be sure you guys participate when we do this work. We appreciate it if you participate and post your art in the Pick a Stick Challenge Facebook page, and there will be albums for you to post your art in, and you can put it in there. And what else was I going to say? I had something else to say, and it went out of my head, so I guess I'm not going to say it. So that is it for November. Bye bye.